how to make glasses and a wig with a bow for your dog. Step 1. Step 1. Get some of these. I don't know what they're called. And the wig, I'm going to show you guys after I'm done with the glasses. So you need 4 of these parts. If you want to pick another color of these, then you could use another color. And then you will need some glue and some buttons. If you don't want to use the buttons, then that's fine because I don't really have any more buttons. These are the only ones. So yeah, let's get right on to it. First, you have to make 2 little circles of these. Two little circles of these thingies. First, you have to do it like this. Sorry, it's just on my hands or with the chalk. You have to make a circle and then make them like this. If you want to make them longer, then you just have to do it like this. If you want to make smaller, if your dog is small, just like mine, you will have to not make it long. So then you twist it. And you made a circle. But you're not done yet. You have to make another circle. And as I just said, if you have a small dog, use some small of these. You do the same thing, you twist it. And if you have a big dog, you have to use more longer ones than this. They have to be more longer, so yeah. Wait, what was that? Yeah, and then you have to make the handle. And then you have to twist these up together. Now you have, never mind, well, that didn't work, so we would have to, if you want to glue it on, just glue it on, and then you have to cut a piece of this, but yeah, from me. Okay, guys. Wait just a minute, okay? Okay, guys, I'm back. So, I found out a way. Actually, I already knew a way. You know how the glasses have, these glasses have this on them? Wait. To make it more straight, guys, sorry. So, you guys know how glasses have this, right? Right, yes. And, like, it's just that, it has these, so I found another one because I had to cut a blue one. Just like this one right here. It's Old Navy. This is dark blue. That's like an Old Navy blue. Mine is a really dark blue, as you guys could see. This one's dark, this one's light, this one's dark. Oops, I dropped it. This one's very dark, and this one's light. It looks dark when we put it right here. So, like, this is actually a dark one. And that's just a normal one. This is a dark one. And so then you have to get these two. You have to do the same thing as you did the other time. You have to twist it. It's okay when you don't cry. Come. Do you want to go outside? Don't smell the camera. Winnie, don't smell the camera. I said, Winnie, don't smell the camera. So, this is just for beginners. But I think I did not do a good job on this one, so I accidentally broke it. But you could still fix it. Just twist it around like you did before. And then here comes the part. You had to twist this one. And then do the same thing on the other one. First put on put it on and then twist it with the dark blue. Not with the yellow, but with the blue thing. So you have this. So you have this now. But I broke this part. I keep breaking stuff, I don't know why. So this is what came out. And then after you've done those steps, this is step 3. And then you get this one. You got the yellow one or another color. Then you do the same thing. Put it on, twist with the yellow, the handle, twist it with the handle, and then do the same thing on the other one. Twist it with the handle, twist it with the handle, twist it with the handle until you get this. So then after you put on your dog, it's gonna turn out like this. It won't harm your dog or anything because these things, it didn't poke my dog. If it pokes your dog, just to tell you that I'm really sorry. But this is actually kind of safe for dogs, so don't mind. So if you want to do this, so if you grab a button, you have to grab one button and then you have to stick it on, or what's your favorite color? Comment down below. My favorite color is blue, red, and pink also. I'm just gonna blue. And then you do this, then you do that. Then there we go. Here is yours with your own color. It's gonna turn out like this, but when you put on your dog, it's gonna look like this. Look, I'm gonna get my dog right now. It's gonna look like this, and then you have 2 glasses, because if you want to make 2, you have to do the same thing that you did on the yellow one. I'll give you a treat, honey. Oh, you ate that really fast. Well, here are all my toys. And look at this. It's a doll sleeping. This is what I hanged up. I hanged up a dead teddy bear. That keeps moving. Back to here. Wait. Look what my dog did to the glasses. Now they're all crooked. If your dog does that, doesn't matter. You can still fix it. Come. Wait. Okay, guys. Look at her face. Look at her face. Oh no, she doesn't want to look now. Hey, why are you looking at me like that, huh? 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 She's looking at me like, what did you do to me, human? What did you do to me, human? You see? She's just looking. Winnie? Weenie? Come. Oh, she went away. Yes, so this is how you make this. Now it's time for the dog wig. I'm not gonna like show you where to like, you know. The pom-poms, they just came from my art box. It's called a craft box. So this kind of stuff is you know those things to make hats and stuff, and you knit this. It's like the thing you use to knit. So yeah, you could just like untangle it, and then you get some glue, and then you stick the pom-poms on it. So yeah, that's how you make it. Yeah, so like I'm gonna pause the video and then come back with my dog. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. I don't really care if you cry. I'm the rich and never lie. Just all the wish in my eye. Said, baby, I'm not afraid to die. Push me to the edge. I'm up and I'm dead. Push me to the edge. I'm off and they're dead. Push me to the edge. I'm off and they're dead. I'm off and push me to the edge. Then I'm as I ride. Inside out white. Listen to the rider set down. I don't wanna hate. My brain got mad. I'm barely mad. I never got swine all the way to I tear you down. Still one puts the world ultimate falling over. Every time I will leave a spot, everyone will come on over. And pause the video. Winnie, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at this girl. Look at this girl. Look at this girl. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye, girl. See, she took it off. So me and me work. Have you guys ever seen my face reveal? I'm doing a face reveal today at the end of the video too. So, in 3, 2, 1, face reveal. Actually, never mind.